Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I did a video the other day and my memory card filled up and I couldn't finish it, but I was showing some information or some items I got back from my visit to Creative Notions. Some of you may recognize this little camper trailer, it's their logo. Anyway, this bag right here had stuff in it from a previous month's order for their subscription. And I just found out about them and just started to sign up. And so I wanted to get some of the older bags. And since I was in her store, by the way, you can do it online, I grabbed this one. So this bag was sitting in the video, but I never got to it. So just so you know, I'm going to show you what came in it. It's already opened. And the cute thing is she does not do subscription boxes. She does a subscription bag. Although right now, the last couple of months, she has been doing boxes because she's doing the square rulers and they're big and they need to be protected, but she's going back to bags starting next month. All right, so this cute bag has a drawstring, has the flat bottom. It's reusable. It is stinking cute. Okay, now in it, we get our information that talks about what it is. It also says, hey, we're starting a new block of the month, and this is what we're going to be doing. It is called the June Sampler, and then it gives us information on what all is in the pattern, or in the bag. Drawing a blank. Okay, there's so much stuff that came in here, and I don't know if you can see this. It's amazing. So one of the things is this really cute enamel pin. It was made just for Creative Notions, and is the Grandmother's Flower Garden is the pattern on that. So that came in there. It also had a 6.5-inch ruler. And because I didn't realize that this came in it and I bought one, I have an extra one. So this actually is going to be put aside and given next time I do a drawing or at some point in time. All right. It also came with this really cute little card. It's just a blank card. Dream, believe, soar. And you've probably already seen some of the fabric because I haven't been doing very good at concealing it. But it is this farm girl stuff, and it has a panel. So instead of opening it up, I'll just show you. This is the panel itself. It goes, actually, it's just the middle part there. Look how cute that is. And so that is your quilt, Rosy Throw quilt idea. And then it has the ruler, wall storage, and ruler weight cover. And so this is a project, and these are the weight covers. And to show you how little these are, by the way, these are little campers. This is showing the camper sitting on a ruler, so you can see that it is just little. But the hardware for this came. Also, I love how she puts everything together. So here's the hardware for that. And it shows you how to put it together, what it needs. So if you decide to do that, everything you need for the project is in there with the exception of one thing, and it's because it wouldn't fit in the bag. So you are going to need to get some vinyl for this. Other than that, you've got what you need. Okay, so there's that. And here's the actual panel. And I'm not doing well with one hand. But see, it has blocks already around there, which you can cut up and use and integrate. And it looks like they might have, not sure. But Farm Girls Unite, look how cute. That's just the top part of it. So that's a big panel to work with. Now, also, you get fat quarters. We have 8 of those. I'm going to open that up in just a minute when I have another hand. But first, I want to show you everything else that's in here. Now, every month she gives you a puzzle or a quilt idea for the fabric that she's giving you. Last month, they missed something in the box, and so they added it. So there was actually an extra quilt idea called Puzzle in this box that actually was for the month of May. So there's that, instructions on that. This month's quilt idea is the Rosy Throw. So you actually get 2 this month. Now, she is starting the Jewel Sampler quilt in June. Now, I say started, this was June of 2021. Again, this is an old box slash bag, and you may have already seen the reveals on these, but since I posted it and I was going to show, and I asked people that they wanted to know, I did get some people respond that they wanted to know, so that's why I'm doing this. Anyway, this is what that quilt will look like, and it's an ombre fabric that was going to be available later in the year, which is out now. But this is the panel, or not panel, but just the ombre colors on a strip of fabric. Okay, and then every month you're going to get 2 blocks. And so this month, for that quilt, we get the shoe fly block and the chain link block. So we have 2 of our blocks already for this sampler. This is really cute. Okay, so we got lots of stuff, and these come in the plastic sheet ready to go in your binders. So really good. Now, she also does a subscriber block of the month competition, and this month it was Patricia Perryman is the block that they used. So it has step-by-step instructions. I'm sorry, I'm struggling with my fingers on how to make that. And some cute ideas with red, white, and blue fabric, because again, this came out in June, and Independence Day is the following month. All right, now there's more. I think I showed this, but there's the Dream, Believe, Soar. This actually coordinates with this fabric line, and you can see the cute little gingham, pink gingham, and the colors coordinate really well. And let's see, have I got everything here? Oh, sorry, there's 7 fat quarters, not 8. 7. And the Farm Girl panel is 35 by 41. And here is the retail value of these. She didn't total it up, but you can see it's worth way more than $40, which is what the subscription price is. Okay, so it gives you a little story about the fabric. It also talks about winners because she does a contest for different things. It explains why you get an extra pattern. And they're celebrating their birthday that month. And these are how you can win. So I would recommend signing up. The information will be below. She did give me a promotion that I can offer. The first 20 people to sign up for a subscription box and use the promo code Soft Squares will get a 10% discount on the first month for the first 20 people who sign up. So it may be used already. If it's not, you can certainly try it. But the nice thing is she also gives you a discount, which I've got my hand on, for being a subscriber. So once you're in, you can get additional discounts. But this right here, she'll give away $40 value for a 2 1/4 inch strip set, which could be a jelly roll or a package. But that is something that you can win by entering, one of these options right here. And this is where she gives the winners, the June winners. That's where they came from, is from that. So she's very, very generous and very professional, very thorough. And look at all the stuff. This just amazes me, all the stuff that comes in here. And I've actually got a lot of it buried right now because we're down here. Well, let's look at this fabric. We didn't get a chance to look at that. So doing this one-handed, let's see if I can do it. Look how pretty the strawberry gingham. Upside down. We've got the Farm Girl. Actually, I should just open this up, huh? Oh, look how cute. And then we have this. It's a Bandanna Print. This is a really pretty floral. Here we are with like a daisy. I think it's a daisy. Love it. And it's kind of a soft aqua color. It's interesting. But you can definitely see it's a color that's in the panel. Then we get a second one of these. So you actually get 2 of these. Either you get 2 because you needed more of that fabric, or because this is an extra kit, she may have run out of one of the fabrics, and so she doubled up on something. that answer I don't really know, but this is what my kit came with. And then the last piece of fabric is this really pretty floral. And you can see how these colors, and they all go really well with this panel. And here is the quilt again, showing how they have used these fat quarters. It finishes at 47 by 53, so it's not super big. I think you could make it bigger if you wanted to by adding more borders to it, but that's a nice size. And then they give you instructions on how to make the individual blocks that are there. So, what do you think about this? What do you think about Creative Notions? I have to say, I really am impressed with them. And Vickie does such a great job. So stick around. There's going to be some more videos that I will be posting from my visit to Salina, Utah, and to the Creative Notions shop. And once those are done, you'll be seeing those on YouTube. Thanks and have a great day.